Hey guys, Caleb with Oasis Bath Solutions here. Just wanted to share a quick video of this bath and shower replacement project that we did for Mary in Kent. There's some pretty exciting things going on here, and just wanted to explain a little bit of our process to you and how we did it. So I've got a before and after here. On the left is the before. You can see it's one of those really low tubs, brownish red tile going all the way up, grouts failing in a lot of places. And what we put in is this really beautiful Tiverian stone shower surround and this deep soaking tub. So the tub, this one is 20 inches deep. So a lot of soaking depth in there, and it's got the angled backrest. You can lay back, relax, actually take a nice bath, whereas in those really low tubs that you see in a lot of older bathrooms, you really can't soak in them at all. And then the wall system going up is our Tiverian product, which is crushed marble and onyx. So it's real stone, looks beautiful and amazing, just like natural marble, but much more durable, very easy to keep clean and maintain. You don't have to reseal it, and you can see it looks absolutely stunning. Big niche in the back there with lots of storage, and we put this rain head shower spot on there as well. So it turned out really beautiful, lots of additional functionality there. And we also did the vanity for them. Took off the old tile top with the top deck sink on there that's impossible to clean. And we put on a beautiful quartz top with an undermount sink. Keeps everything very easy to clean, to wipe off the counter so it goes down into the sink. Doesn't get caught on the rim. And really, really beautiful color on the quartz there. Matching backsplash. And we also did the floor in the bathroom. We put in, this is life-proof luxury vinyl flooring, so it's waterproof. It's really good with pets. It doesn't scratch. It doesn't scrape. And one thing that we do particularly that a lot of places don't do is we also put in waterproof PVC baseboard. So you can see in the before picture, it's the classic wood you see all the time. And we replace it with the white PVC baseboard because that's also waterproof. So if you do spill some water out of the tub, it doesn't destroy your baseboard the first time that you do it. So project turned out really well. The homeowner was really, really happy. Let me take all these pictures. And we just wanted to show you a little bit of what we do here on a regular day at Oasis. Thanks so much for your time.